The level of spending is unprecedented, the deficit is staggering, the job is unfinished.
This is the most severe challenge our country has faced since the Second World War.
To face that challenge, the wage subsidy is boosted again, back to 75% until at least March.
Mr. Speaker, this is a recession like no other we have faced.
And so new measures for the hardest hit sectors, loans for tourism and hospitality, direct support for arts and entertainment workers, rent relief for airports and subsidies for small regional airlines. But nothing for the major carriers who are still in negotiations with Ottawa. All of this to survive the crisis, the promise of more to rebuild.
When the virus is under control and our economy is ready for new growth, we will deploy an ambitious stimulus package.
A package worth as much as $100 billion over 3 years to jolt the restart, winding down if things improve quickly.
This economic statement is another disappointment.
The Conservatives argue nothing Freeland presented will speed things along.
Canadians want their lives back. And this fall economic statement shows that they cannot rely on the Liberal government to get their lives back.
New Democrats say the biggest deficit since the Second World War doesn't spend enough to help working Canadians.
That light at the end of the tunnel now feels like a longer and darker tunnel. So given that, we've said that we need to see more help from more people.
The support and investments outlined in this plan, including our stimulus, will foster a resilient and inclusive recovery.
To help pay for that inclusive recovery, Freeland is proposing some tax changes aimed at the digital giants of the global economy. Amazon, Netflix, Google, even Airbnb, requiring them to charge sales tax on business done in Canada and eventually forcing them to pay some corporate tax. David Cochran, CBC News, Ottawa.